Ever pondered over the challenge of managing and analyzing large datasets, particularly in the financial sector? This is a common hurdle faced by many financial institutions when they grapple with vast quantities of data, a mix of online responses, texts, and numerical values that require meticulous analysis and interpretation. Enter Blackcoffer, a company that has carved a niche for itself in providing cutting-edge solutions to these very challenges. With a global team of experts, Blackcoffer has established a solid reputation over the past 12 years, assisting numerous Fortune 500 corporations, technology firms, professional services companies, and financial institutions. Blackcoffer's solution is a comprehensive decision support framework, a result of methodical analysis of response data, textual data, and the intersection of these datasets. This framework is powered by advanced algorithms, financial models, and scalable tools, ensuring an efficient, accurate, and reliable solution. The process begins with descriptive analytics, where the data is cleaned and imputed, followed by generating summary statistics, graphical representations, and cross-tabulations. This phase lays the groundwork for the more advanced steps, where statistical analysis is performed and hypotheses are formed. The next stage involves creating and testing models, followed by predictive modeling, testing, and validations. The analysis of textual datasets is facilitated by natural language processing, and finally, triangulation of the data is performed to synthesize the insights obtained. The impact of Blackcoffer's solution is significant. The decision support framework has been delivered with a staggering 95% accuracy. The financial models have proven efficient up to 96%. Furthermore, Blackcoffer has conducted empirical research on European equities and the European investment management industry, shedding light on the dynamics between portfolio managers and investment analysts. The technology stack used by Blackcoffer includes powerful tools such as R, Starter, and InVivo, further enhancing the effectiveness and efficiency of the solutions provided. To sum it up, the problem of managing and analyzing large datasets in financial institutions is a complex one. But with Blackcoffer's comprehensive decision support framework, advanced algorithms, financial models, and scalable tools, this challenge is transformed into an opportunity for data-driven decision-making. The results? Increased accuracy, efficiency, and valuable insights that drive strategic decision-making. This is the power of Blackcoffer, your trusted partner in navigating the complexities of large dataset management and analysis.